Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie from Burlap Alley and today I'm going to be doing another Valentine's DIY. Get excited, it's that time of year. With this heart wood cutout that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, some greenery, pink felt, and a grapevine. Alright, here goes nothing. This is where you have to exercise a little bit of patience because I am going to go in sections until that whole first pink sheet of the felt is on the back of that heart. I'm using the help of a ruler to kind of pat it down so I don't burn my fingers. I just wanted the red to pop up against this pink background. All right, now I'm going to trim up the edges and I'm going to use that top part for the bottom part of the heart. You'll see what I'm talking about. This way I didn't have to use a second sheet of the felt. Here I'm just trimming up some excess. Now I'm going to use some of what I cut off for the bottom part of this heart. It lined up perfectly, actually. Now it's time for me to decide where I want this heart and where I need to put the pipe cleaners on the back. And what I'm going to do is lay my pipe cleaners down, give it a generous amount of glue, and then take some extra felt scraps and put it over the drop of glue on the pipe cleaner. Going in with my ruler to pat down that felt and make sure it's nice and secure. I wanted to glue this in 3 different spots on the grapevine. Now I'm going to put that off to the side and let it dry. Now I'm going to work on my greenery. I'm just going to cut off a couple of pieces that I want to use, and I'm going to fan it out and kind of place it on the grapevine to see exactly where I want it. Here I'm going to stagger the roses and then tape them off with some floral tape. Here I'm going to bend them out and up because I want them to look alive. Now I'm going to go in with the second bundle of roses. The first bundle had 3, this bottom one has 4, and I'm just staggering them down and taping them off with some floral tape. I don't know why I can't talk and do it at the same time. But basically, I'm taking these roses and I took some floral tape. And as you're adding your floral tape, you kind of want to like, just get it started. So you're just going to kind of stretch it out and then wrap. Stretch and wrap. Stretch and wrap. It's sticky and it's not going to go anywhere. But basically, I want to put some greenery up here along with these pink roses and then these coming down here. And then my heart's going to go here. And then I'm going to put a bow right here. Zip ties. So I want to find a good spot where I can get the stems of the roses and the greenery and get it wrapped up onto, the heck is that? Get it wrapped up on a good piece of this grapevine. But I also want it right there. So make sure your zip ties right side up. get it through there. Zip tie it down. Clip that off. I'm going to do the same here. I want to make sure I get the greenery and the roses. Get it through that grapevine. Zip tie it down. I'm basically taking the pipe cleaners and twist tying them off in the back. Sometimes I'll take a weaving needle and feed it down through the grapevine. I don't think it's necessary with this one because I would be having to do it like three different areas. And I think I might be able to get the top and the bottom, but I'd never get the middle. I don't know, I might. Anyway, I'm just twist tying it off. And then I'm going to tuck the pipe cleaner back into the grapevine. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to tuck it right back in. Make sure it's nice and twist tight on there, really good. Tuck it back in. Let's give it Valentine for sure. Now I want a bow right here. I have a little bit of this left over. Got one in there. One in. This ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby. Zip tie. Make sure your loops and your tails are all in that zip tie. We're going to get this zip tie started. We're not gonna crank it all the way down. We're just going to get it started. Use it to pull it out of the Easy Bow Maker. Pull it to the back. I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. This way I have a way of attaching it to my wreath. Crank it all the way down. Trim off that zip tie. And I'm going to use the pipe cleaner as kind of like a handle, like I have a way of holding the actual bow. So there's a tail, there's a tail, there's a loop, there's a loop. There's a loop. There's a tail. So I'm just fluffing up the bow. They also call this breaking the bow. Not sure where that came from. I think that's fairly new, but it's fine. I just want to make sure that my loops and my tails are where I want them to be. Now I'm going to trim up my tails. Just going to dovetail them. I fold them on itself and cut it aslant towards the wired part. Do another one here. There we go. Here's my bow. I was gonna do red roses. I don't have any. I have no idea where my roses went. I thought for sure I had some. So I just twist tie this bow onto the grapevine, tuck it back into the grapevine. This way it doesn't scratch my door. Give my tails some life so you can kind of bend them a little bit. Maybe not that one. That one's kind of short, but this one I can because it's longer. This one too. This one I can go over here. I can fuss with a bow, let me tell you. But that's what I have. I'm going to hang it on the door so you can see it. Okay, this is the completed project. I really hope you enjoyed it. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and a share. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.